Imagine a 27-year-old woman rising to one of the most powerful positions in Washington, navigating political storms, media scrutiny, and personal challenges, all while maintaining a lifestyle that screams luxury. Karoline Leavitt, the youngest White House press secretary in history, is not just a political figure, she's a phenomenon. But who is she beyond the podium? Let's dive deep into her journey, controversies, and the life she leads behind the scenes. Karoline Leavitt's name is making waves in American politics. From working in the Trump administration to leading fierce press briefings, her rise has been nothing short of remarkable. But her story isn't just about politics, it's about power, privilege, and a personal life that often makes headlines. In this documentary, we'll explore her journey from a small-town girl to a political powerhouse, uncovering the controversies, challenges, and choices that define her. Born and raised in New Hampshire, Karoline Leavitt grew up in a politically aware household. She attended St. Anselm College, where she studied communications and political science, quickly making a name for herself in conservative circles. Her ambitions led her to the Trump White House, where she served as an assistant press secretary at just 22 years old. Leavitt's sharp media skills and unwavering loyalty to conservative ideals helped her climb the ranks, eventually leading her to an unsuccessful congressional bid in 2022. But failure didn't stop her. In 2024, she returned stronger, securing the position of White House press secretary under Donald Trump's administration, making history as the youngest person ever to hold the role. Leavitt's meteoric rise in politics is matched by an extravagant personal life that has often drawn public attention. Despite being a voice for conservative America, her high-end fashion choices and luxury lifestyle stand in contrast to the struggles of everyday citizens. She's often seen sporting designer outfits, like her $500 Giovanna coat from LPA and $730 Jimmy Choo heels, making it clear that luxury is a non-negotiable part of her identity. But her taste isn't limited to fashion. She's been spotted carrying a $6,000 Dior Lady Delight bag and a $2,000 Louis Vuitton Neverfull tote. While many Americans grapple with rising living costs, Leavitt's wardrobe and lifestyle raise questions about how in touch she truly is with the struggles of the average voter. Her personal life has also been a subject of fascination. She is engaged to Nicholas Riccio, a wealthy real estate investor 32 years her senior. Their relationship sparked debates, with critics questioning the power dynamics at play. The couple got married in a private ceremony, and in July 2024, they welcomed their first child. But Leavitt's career-driven mindset was evident when, just days after giving birth, she cut short her maternity leave following the attempted assassination of Donald Trump. This decision cemented her image as a dedicated, no-nonsense political figure willing to put duty above personal obligations. As White House press secretary, Leavitt is no stranger to controversy. In January 2025, she announced a freeze on federal grants and loans to reassess compliance with diversity and inclusion policies, a move critics called a direct attack on progressive reforms. She also defended a policy defining sex strictly as male or female at birth, eliminating federal recognition of transgender and non-binary individuals. Framing it as a restoration of sanity, she positioned herself as a staunch opponent of what she calls woke ideology. Her aggressive stance extends beyond policy. In August 2024, she firmly denied any connection between the Trump campaign and Project 2025, a conservative policy blueprint that many feared would bring radical changes. She has also clashed with top Democrats, including Senator Chuck Schumer, whom she criticized for blaming Trump-era workforce cuts at the Federal Aviation Administration for a Delta Airlines crash in Toronto. Leavitt called Schumer's remarks incredibly irresponsible, deflecting blame onto Canadian air traffic controllers instead. While her supporters see her as a fearless fighter, critics argue that her combative approach further deepens political polarization. Whether admired or criticized, one thing is clear: Karoline Leavitt is a key player in Trump's political machine, shaping the administration's message with unwavering loyalty. From a small-town girl in New Hampshire to the White House podium, Karoline Leavitt's journey is a testament to ambition, strategy, and resilience. Her tenure as press secretary is shaping the political landscape, but with great power comes great scrutiny. As she continues to navigate the complexities of Washington, one question remains: will she solidify her legacy as a political powerhouse, or will controversies overshadow her rise? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the life and career of Karoline Leavitt, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support helps us bring more exclusive insights into the world of politics and power. See you in the next video.